Hey agents, if you don't understand escrow at a high level, you're already losing deals and you just don't even know it. Delays, miscommunication, last minute surprises, these aren't just annoying, these are deal killers. The best agents don't just hand off escrows and then they hope for the best. They take control, and they take control early to get to the closing table faster. Here are 5 moves that top agents use to win at this. Number 1, they control the timeline, or it will control you. Escrow delays cost you money and hurt your reputation. Here's what the pros do. They confirm deadlines up front. They don't just assume. They push lenders, escrow officers, and clients to stay ahead. They track contingencies like their commission depends on it, because it does. The agent who controls the timeline controls the deal. Number 2 is communication equals commission. Silent agents lose, period. So call before issues pop up. Don't just wait for bad news. Keep your clients informed. No panic, no problems. Make sure your escrow and your lenders are aligned from day number 1. And clear communication equals faster closings. Number 3 is set expectations on day number 1. Confuse clients, kill deals. Top agents educate up front. They explain wire instructions, wire transfers, fraud prevention, and closing costs. Prep them for lender delays and last minute requests, and make sure they know exactly what's happening on signing day and closing day. An educated client equals a stress-free closing. Number 4, double check everything. One missing signature, one wrong number, and your deal just got delayed. Verify wire instructions before your client sends out that money. Review every single document like your paycheck is on the line. And check the closing statements for no surprises. Review it with your clients just so there's no last-minute delays. 5 minutes of reviewing can save you 5 days of problems later. Your escrow partners make you or break you. A bad escrow team costs you deals, clients, and money. Top agents work with escrow teams that can solve problems before they happen. They move fast, no chasing everyone for updates, making your life easier, not harder. At New Era Escrow, we don't just close deals, we close them right. Want smoother transactions, faster closings, and fewer headaches? Follow these strategies if you need an escrow team that actually has your back. Go ahead and DM Escrow and let's talk. Hit the like, share with the agent, and follow for more expert strategies.